Good afternoon, P1 students. How are you today? Today is Tuesday, and it's the 28th of July 2020. So for our learning topic for today is that I will be able to identify my body parts and my 5 senses by completing the sentence. So in our last topic of Unit 6, we were talking about sounds, right? So that's why I included this in our test. So in hearing sounds, we need to use our ears. So today we are going to review about our 5 senses. So during the test, please do not forget to write your name and your school campus, okay? So everything will be, the test will be required. So it will help you to not miss a question, all right? So this is only a practice test, and your test, the actual test will be similar to this one. All right, so teacher will do one more review for body parts, and then the next one will be reading sentences and identifying if it's true or false. But for today, you're just going to complete the sentences. And yes, so if you hear something's fixing near our house. All right, so these are our 5 senses, right? This is our ears. We use our ears to hear, our eyes to see or sight, nose to smell, our tongue to taste, and our hands to touch or feel. Now, what you're going to do is that you are going to complete these sentences by choosing the right senses, the right body parts. Okay, so again, these are the body parts, and to see, to smell, to hear, to touch, and to taste are senses, right? Our senses. See, smell, hear, touch, and taste. So here, I use my to see. I use my to smell. Are used to hear sound. So here it's asking about body parts. And my can touch things. And I use my to taste. So yeah. So here you are going to answer this for today's activity. All right. So I use my to see which body part do you use in order for you to see. Is it your ears, your nose, your hands, your tongue, your eyes? Next, I use my to smell. What body part do you use to smell? Ears, nose, hands, tongue, eyes. For 3, I use my to hear sounds. Ears, nose, hands, tongue, eyes. And so on and so forth, right? So I use my to touch, and number 5, I use my to taste. All right, thank you so much, P1 students. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, and thank you.